Join me as I challenge myself to set up multiple passive income streams while barely lifting a finger. Can I really make money while I sleep? Building wealth isn't just about working hard, it's about working smart. And one of the smartest ways to do it is by creating passive income streams that generate money while you're busy living your life. The idea is simple. Create a system that runs on autopilot, and you'll be sleeping your way to riches in no time. We've all heard the phrase, time is money, but when it comes to building passive income streams, it's more like, lack of time is a lack of money. Most people struggle to create passive income because they're stuck in the hustle and bustle of daily life, leaving them with little time or energy to focus on building wealth. Another common challenge is lack of knowledge. People don't know where to start or how to create a successful passive income stream. And then there's the fear of failure. What if I invest my time and money and it doesn't pay off? These are all valid concerns, but they shouldn't hold you back from pursuing your financial dreams. Fear of failure is a major obstacle for many people. They're worried that they'll invest their time and money and it won't pay off. But the truth is, every successful person has experienced failure at some point in their journey. The key is to learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward. Lack of knowledge is another major hurdle. People don't know where to start or how to create a successful passive income stream. But with the right guidance and support, anyone can learn how to build wealth passively. And finally, there's the issue of time constraints. Most people are stuck in the daily grind, leaving them with little time or energy to focus on building wealth. For many people, creating passive income streams seems like a pipe dream. They're stuck in the daily grind, and they don't know how to break free. But the truth is, building passive income streams is within reach for anyone who's willing to put in the effort. It's not about being lazy, it's about being smart and strategic with your time and money. By creating systems that generate money while you sleep, you'll be able to free up more time to focus on the things that really matter in life. So, what are some of the most effective passive income streams out there? One of the most popular is real estate investing. By investing in rental properties or real estate investment trusts, you can generate a steady stream of income without having to lift a finger. Another popular option is dividend stocks. By investing in companies that pay out consistent dividends, you can earn a passive income stream without having to do much of anything. And then there's online businesses. By creating digital products or services, you can generate passive income streams that operate on autopilot. One of the key benefits of passive income streams is that they can provide a sense of security and freedom. When you have a steady stream of income coming in, you'll be able to live life on your own terms without having to worry about money. You'll be able to pursue your passions and interests rather than being stuck in a job you don't love. And you'll be able to sleep better at night, knowing that your financial future is secure. To succeed with passive income streams, you need to have the right mindset. You need to be willing to take risks, to learn from your mistakes, and to keep moving forward. You need to be patient and persistent, knowing that building wealth passively takes time. And you need to be open to new ideas and strategies, always looking for ways to improve and optimize your systems. By adopting this mindset, you'll be able to overcome the challenges and achieve financial freedom. In summary, building passive income streams is a powerful way to generate wealth and achieve financial freedom. By creating systems that run on autopilot, you'll be able to earn money while you sleep, free up more time to focus on the things that matter, and live life on your own terms. So, don't let fear or lack of knowledge hold you back. Start building your passive income streams today, and start sleeping your way to riches. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on passive income in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about building wealth passively, be sure to check out my other videos for more tips and strategies.